Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Crosstrek's gas tank. First, you need to locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. This small, often black lever is usually found on the driver's side floor, near the door sill. It's designed for easy access, ensuring you can quickly open the fuel door when it's time to refuel your vehicle. Once you're in the driver's seat, look down to your left near the floor. You will typically see two levers side by side. One is for the hood and the other, usually marked with a small gas pump icon, is for the fuel door. Gently pull the fuel door lever upwards or towards you. You should hear a soft click as the exterior fuel door unlatches. Now, walk to the rear driver's side of your Subaru Crosstrek. You will notice that the fuel door has popped open slightly. Simply pull it open fully. Inside, you will see the fuel cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Most Crosstrek models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can place the cap while refueling. Once you have finished refueling, it's time to secure everything. First, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. This ensures a proper seal. Then, gently push the fuel door closed until it clicks firmly into place. Double-check that the door is flush with the vehicle's body to prevent any issues while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.